Yo. What's good, YouTube gang? It's your boy Jambisco back in this bitch with another reaction. Yeah, man, people don't know what time it is. The man is back in the building. And see who they are with today now. Shenseea, I do her thing. See, she do some rebranding. I do some trying to get back to the old songs, trying to get back to the old Shenseea. But we only gotta stay tuned and see what I'm going. She's trying to get better. You know what I'm saying? But anyway, with our Shenseea, the one name Die For You. I check out social media. Let's get it. You know, man, bad girl Shenseea.
Hey, Russian.
Baby, drop your pin right now. Me, I come make a link right now. Right
Oh, yeah?
now. Yeah, me what's in my drawers right now. Yeah.
Me send them a pin right now, mama. Right now. Right now, is it? Right? Hey. She wants to send them a pin right now. She want to come link up right now. She waiting her chance.
Got me just drive out. Yeah, the way my knock it tight, coming like say it feel brand new. You fi give me big deal whenever you drive through. Me no want nothing quick, me no wanna pass through. Want it 90 minutes long like a matcha man.
Easy no, man. Yes. Shenseea try big back friend from the Jamaican audience. Yeah, man, and I saw you do it, man. You say, come in, man.
Coming like say it feel brand new. You fi give me big deal whenever you drive through. Me no
It feel brand new, mama. Yeah, man, come true. Me get a big deal, man.
want nothing quick, me no wanna pass through. Want it 90 minutes long like a matcha man. You just give me on the bed or give me on the ground.
90 me like a matcha, man. Hey, man, you Manchester, you. Hey, you say she want a whole football match. You see me?
Keep on coming back because of how you make my moan. If your name call pan this, you get little clout. If you can't make me come, then the sex don't count. Yeah, just say giddy up and me we ride for it.
Make sure I go on so. Make me have. Yeah, one.
Spitting on me mouth, coming like that too.
Yeah.
If I call like when I have curfew, beg her please busting on me inside too. Me we do anything.
All right. A problem, you outside of mama. Hey,
You want me if you do. Me body goes so down like me work food. Me good but I know that alone I hold you. Kill me with the body, me I die for you.
Hey. God.
Die for you. Me I die for you. Die for you. Tell me baby, how much I bet?
See, a devil this in her. See in her head. Full suit her head. A devil this, man. Come in.
It not gonna take me nothing to get your erect. Me not a limit, like a me a mix. Get anything I want, and me do it with the sex. It's a flex.
Go on, mama. Go on, flex. Yeah, man. Taking the video. Love me.
Eat it up, my can smell it on my bread. Me love it raw, I'm allergic to it.
Wait, where she just wait. Whoa. What? What if no dog? No. Yeah, not see John. Oh, listen to this part. This girl wild.
Eat it up, my can smell it on my bread. Me love it raw, I'm allergic to latex. The way I'ma do it till if I keep on my neck. The way I'ma work hard, me deserve a paycheck. Yeah, just say giddy up and
Alright, yeah man. Girls, ladies, take notes. You see me? All these bagger Ray, take. You know, this is how you be sexy and seductive, man, right here. Come on.
ride for you. Tongue in my mouth coming like that too. If I call night when I have curfew.
Yeah.
Beg her please busting on me inside.
Yeah.
Me we do anything I want if you do. Me body goes so down like me work out.
Yeah, man. Yeah. Ladies, all this broad and shit. I gotta tone it down a bit. Keep it classy, keep it sexy, man. Come on. Yeah. Come in.
But I know that alone I hold you. Kill me with the body, me I'll die for you.
She's saying the same thing y'all trying to say, except y'all come with this vulgar bagger. You know, bagger. Easy on yourself, man.
Die for you. Me I die for you. Die for you.
Whatever this, man. Every scene she in her head, man.
Use your hands and squeeze my throat.
Yeah.
Die for you.
Yeah.
Me I die for you.
Baby, drop your pin right now.
pin right now, location right now, coordinates, you want me longitude and latitude? Huh? Yeah man, well done. Yeah man, Shenseea I try win back the dancer, the Jamaican dancer audience, man. Well done, well played. Well done, well played. Yeah man. You know what I say? Alright, here I go on. And mix me all lyrics and things, so here I go on now. You see me? Yeah, I give you some of my little old style with some of the new style with the new body and the new sex appeal over here. So you see me? I was like, well, you know, she do her thing more. She did that shit, bro. Yeah man, the song bad. You see me? That's a pretty nice song right there. Yo, she has said, you see me? She has said no fighting, but she not come off with the vulgar whole bagger that take it shit. You see me? I say, yeah man, look a class, look a I see him. Look a sexy, look a seductive vibe there. Yeah man, bring you back to before 2000 now, when time when them get out here with the bagger blow rap bad things. You see me? I say, yeah man. So big up to Shenseea. She doing her thing. Definitely separating herself from the other female dancehall artists. You see me? Cause enough of them can't make tune like this, dog. You see me? I ain't gonna lie, Shenseea came far with the singing, boy. You see me? Her singing getting better and better. You see me? I say, yeah man, she keep up like this, dog. She can finally, in time, can become the Jamaican Rihanna as everybody wants her to be. You see me? I say, in time. You see me? Not too late for her, man. Career very young and still very young in the international space as well. You see me? I say, but look at coaching, keep on the same part, yeah. You see me? Keep that classy, sexy mentality going, the pretty girl, you know what I'm saying, vibe going, don't come rap back out like the rest of them and try to be this. Yeah, but like, the lady starting work for that area. You see me? You have to come with something different nowadays. But hey, we cheer when everybody try to be like ladies and be like Sukiana and sexy red them. You see me? That now walk in a dance hall in a them area. But anyway, we know one thing about the one the gang. Like it definitely show the artists and love and support, making us a Jambisco dance anyway. You see me? I say it's a vibe. You see me? The ladies should like that one. You know say the man them will love the video. Yeah man, she was yeah man, she was fine in this video. I ain't gonna lie to you. Yeah man, she was able to get that sex appeal and that seduction across the screen. You see me? I say, come on, you know. But yeah man, gang, we know anything we want in the comment section. Definitely, let's chop it up, drop a request, all that good stuff. You don't know, boy, Jambisco. Till next time, take care of yourself and each other. Love you guys. Out.
On the play me DJ, I wanna rap. I'm a blood clot DJ, I'm a shot selector.